So guys, it's time to make a conclusion. Let's wrap up what we have learned on this course right here. So initially we got the brief introduction on what Aspen HYSYS, what's used for, and why do we need to use softwares in order to model complex simulations or chemical processes. Now we understand how to read and actually build a process like this. We saw this process. We got the inlet data, we got the stream data, which was here. We started to build with all the specific data, unit operations, what's the, for instance, dropping pressure, final pressures, number of stages, how to feed, the number of feed stage, and how to modify all these right here. We understood our process. We also learn how to set up the property environment, use a flow sheet, and set up the simulation by connecting all the streams and all the required unit operations. Now, finally, you can say that at least you can set up a simple process right now. The physical property environment, you know what's required. You need only the compositions and the fluid package in order to be able to continue with the simulation environment. The simulation environment you know already, which is where the flow sheet is present, where you can add unit operations, you can add streams, you have all the data here and the results. Now you can already say that you know plenty of basic unit operations such as pumps, flash separators, even a distillation column, which is relatively complex to model. In Aspen HYSYS it's kind of relatively easy compared to do it by yourself. Also, we checked out the equilibrium reactor, which by hand, or the theoretical concepts are a little bit complex to understand, but the model is very easy to set up. We also learned how to run the simulation and how to get the best result presentation. Also via workbook, we also exported, we also checked out per each unit right here. And finally, we also did a small analysis. One thing is to actually run a simulation, and the other thing is to start analyzing and see what you can improve, what you can get better results, what can you do in order to reduce pricing or cost of utilities and get better product compositions and so on.